Look, I would say supply and demand is the biggest one. So if there's a supply and demand imbalance, that creates an opportunity, right? That opportunity is short term. So because supply and demand will not be imbalanced forever, but that short term can give you good equity growth because you're getting to the market where there's an imbalance that's occurring. So there's going to be a bit of boom cycle. So you're getting into the market, leveraging the boom. That will make you in a very good financial strength. Second thing for long-term investing is money is where people move. If people are not moving, for instance, people are not moving in Darwin, but it's still booming. The reason is because it's adjusting to the cost differences because everything else has boomed so much. Now it's a cost difference that needs to be adjusted. So that's where the boom is. And now obviously the investors are coming in. So that's creating more demand, but people are not moving there. So long term, Darwin, you need to exit at the right time because principally people are not moving there. That's cross. I'm not going to touch that. Again, the third principle is your strategy defines your path. Every strategy, that's the one strategy, cheap, affordable location in regional area. That's one strategy, right? That is not for everyone. Like rooming house, even that's not for everyone. So your strategy defines your path, and your strategy is made up by your inputs, what you are, what's your situation, what's your financial situation, what are your circumstances, what are your portfolio. Without a strategy, you can't just buy property. The buyers agents are now very active in Melbourne. You just go and buy in Melbourne. It just doesn't make sense. You need a strategy that aligns to a long-term goal. These are the three principles that's top of my head, but I've got a booklet on the Golden Tap method that we have at Heaps Good Homes. So we have at least 8 different principles that chooses the right townships and the right assets for our clients. That's the framework we're proud of. It's called the Golden Tap method. I might link the video that explains to you what that method is. Yeah, it's a must watch.